Good morning, good morning. Welcome guys to the stream again. Let's see. Let's invite everyone to the Zoom. There we go. Yeah, let's put PG on as well. Still in the middle of the range. My god. The 4-hour on GT for a second. Yeah, I ain't touching this. Still till today, not touching it. Go. There we go. Ooh, look at gold pushing up from a 15-minute support. Took this buy, that would be very good. I think Master P took it. Good morning, Ravik. You know the vibe. With the camera on.
Hey, morning, guys.
Yo, what's up, man? How are you?
Pretty good, especially good this
Perfect.
morning.
You took the gold buys, right?
Yeah, I have two gold buys running right now.
Nice.
I just secured one. I kind of managed, but the second one I secured with full position at around 15 pips.
Okay.
So pretty neato.
Pretty good. Levels are on point again.
100%. I was thinking like, yeah, Luke is in from
Oh, no.
97.5.
Nah. What was your entry?
I have one entry based on the 5-minute at 1898.70, but I managed 75% out at 4 pips, 3.5 pips, and the rest is running. And then I had the second entry was at the 4-hour high at 1899.75, and that I just secured about 11, 12 pips. Yeah, majority at 11, 12 pips, and it's then gonna keep running.
Very nice. Very nice. You had clean traffic to the left
Exactly.
to where we are right now, so.
Yeah, I was even thinking of adding another position at the break of this bearish 5-minute high, but I'm like, let's just chill over here.
I think it was also a pretty okay buying opportunity above this level right here.
Yeah, exactly. That was the 4-hour high.
Yeah.
Did you catch anything this morning?
No.
You're setting up the stream.
Yep.
No worries. There's gonna be pullbacks.
I had some problems with the edit part, you know. Super annoying. Oh. Let's see. Put the music on.
Yeah, further secure. Oh,
Jeez.
it's right here.
Bro, that trade from yesterday.
100 pips, yeah, man. That was sick. First 100 pip runner?
No. I've had like 140, 138 pips before.
Sheesh. Nice. Hold up.
Now this looks perfect for the 4-hour. If you're in this, you can hold this to the top. Damn. Son. We're in 1900, so the only thing we have to pass is that 1-hour level right here. And then I'm gonna be looking for buys as well. Morning, look, and I think. Yeah, unemployment claims maybe. But I still think that we're gonna move today, even though the news. So I think we're good. If we're coming up to the new 4-hour, then we're gonna be I think then at that time we're gonna be looking out a little bit more, because then it might start ranging. We have a chance of not breaking out, but this is, I think we're good. I think we're good. So let's see. I mean, the way price moving right now is already pretty good. I'm trying to wait until I get into 909, 990, around that. And if I start seeing price close above that level, above this 1 hour level, I want to see some sort of a support being created, and then I want to, you know, mirror this candle here all the way to the left. So let's see. Sales could be in 100% could be an opportunity too. Because if you actually, the only thing is that I don't like is that the 30-minute already made like a stronger support level right here, and it already retested the low right here with this candle. So also in the Asian session, the sells could have been amazing. You already long? No, I'm not in. I'm not in. So it could be sells. We could be looking at sells, but based on all time frames, nah. Because if you look at the 4-hour time frame, right? We're coming up. We're breaking up. We broke out of this range, right? Started breaking up. Created a new higher high. Came back down. Sort of retested this level here to the left. Started creating a support above it. We have now a support created on the 4-hour time frame. And this candle already made a lower wick towards this level here to the left. Started breaking the high. Now what's the possibility for price to retest this high? It's pretty high, right? So at this moment I'm a little bit more into buys than into sells. Now what could happen as well is that we could maybe start creating a resistance against 1902.90 and then continue moving back down. But at the moment on that 4-hour, I'm looking a little bit bullish. Look at the 4-hour structure is there, right? The structure is there already. So I think the people that got in based on break of this 4-hour high that was 10 pips ago, you are Gucci. 100%. 100%. Did any of you guys held the gold buys from yesterday till like 1912, 1950, 1980? I mean, did any of you guys hold it that long? I did. Good morning, Luke. Wishing you well on your trades today. Like the stream, yeah. Thank you, man. Thank you. I think this is a pretty important level based on the 1-hour time frame. Well, the pullback on the 30-minute. Ooh, very nice, very nice. Yeah, maybe I'm waiting for some sort of support form above 1998. Yeah, or 1900 flat in between that zone. And if we have a support created, I might be looking for buys, or I'm going to be buying above that. Yeah, 90. Let's say 90, 1903. And people might say, but you got this shit here to the left. Pretty much makes sense because we're coming back inside this range, right? Follow the range, we tapped against it right here. Amazing sells could have been taken here, but this was outside of our trading time. So showing up very, very nice structure. The only thing you have to do is just wait a little bit for the structure, and then you're going to be good. So based on that, I'm trying to go from 1903 towards that, 1908 30, or towards the top 1909 40, or to fill the entire wick of 1912. Now, let's see. Based on the 30-minute, there is some more issues right here, but I'm expecting to get past them. overall it looks very, very, very clean. I like the way price is looking right now. So Louise, like the stream, guys. You know the vibe. Yeah, perfect. Thank you, thank you. Any tips on management? Let's take a look at this chart for a second. We are coming up towards the Frankfurt Open, so we're keeping an eye on the charts for a second as well. But let's see this chart. I think you're good, man. Moving along. Any tips on management? I would secure 50% if you haven't secured yet. Secure 50% or 75%, depends on where you're comfortable with, and then I think you can hold even longer, to be honest. So I would just secure like 70-75% and then hold the rest till the top, till 1908. I think that's a good idea to do. Now you might still pull back towards this level, but just in case have your runner stop loss at break even. But I think overall, with the bias we're having right now and the 4 hour coming up like this, you have a very high possibility, especially when we start breaking 1903, to go up towards that 1908. So I would hold a little bit longer, a little bit, if I was you. Let's take a look at Boosters chart. Daily trend bullish. Yeah, I think if I go to the 15-minute here, I think you had to wait for support to form. So it broke out, but you had to wait for this candle to form right here. That was the buying candle. No range for the next candle. Price made a little bit of a lower wick. Made a wick to fill to the top. Started closing. That was your buying candle right here. So I think you got in a little bit too early. Or did you get out too late? No, I just think you got in too early. I think you hit 10 pips though, so based on management, I would have probably closed 50% at your break even. But I hope you're good now. I hope you hold the, you hold at the position, because if you look at the structure, price broke out, but it never came back inside the range. So you should have been good at the end of the day, even though that line is right here. The level is pretty much right here. I don't know what currency, I don't know what that is, but if you really look into it, if I can draw like a line, this was actually the level on gold. So you were looking at this high, but actually the actual high in my chart wasn't even there. So it was because we were using a different provider, right? For me, it was exactly here. So you would have been safe at that moment. Put that annotation away. There you go. Now you see the 15-minute kind of flipping. I'm waiting for a support to form above that 1899.50. That would be a good situation. And the 5-minute already did that, so there's potential that we could start pulling up straight away. Now for me, I'm really gonna be waiting until we get above this zone. So based on the 1 hour time frame, the 30-minute looks a little ugly. Like the safe buys are gonna be above 404.70. That's gonna be the best situation, but at the moment If we start coming back in that 1 hour range, I would probably already be looking for buys. Mm, 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 mm. 5 minute.
No. Yeah, to be frank, if you see a weak bearish 15-minute at this minor resistance at like they have marked at 03, 02.94, and break of the high might be a good possibility.
Yeah, that would be very good.
Mm-hmm.
That would be very good.
I don't know.
Yo, guys, don't want to say too much, but we're about to hit 8,000, so you know what to do. Click that subscribe button. Yeah, it's
50 away. We've got 200 people watching, so definitely smash that like, guys.
No, we're 42 away, so you know what to do, guys. You know what to do.
On the YouTube, yeah, I don't see the exact numbers. It's like, you know.
Yeah, I see it. We're at 7,958.
Beautiful. So drop a like for this, no, a sub for this beautiful. I mean, we've had 3 days in a row of just amazing gold moves. So, do you think based on only the 4-hour gold is going up because we form a high retrace from that support?
This 4 hour is gonna push. If you're in a position right here, you gotta hold till the top. You're pussy if you don't hold.
What I'm doing
no,
is,
just joke, guys.
I have one position from here and then another position from here. This one I'm closing over here because it might, you know, retrace and then get stopped out. And then this one I'm holding up to like here.
Because that's the 4-hour wick as well, the entry I had yesterday.
Yeah, exactly. It's for 4-hour wick.
Yeah.
But except it's not as good as your wick. It's like 7 pips away from the flipping point of.
I had this one, right? Yeah, I had this one here.
Right there.
And right here. Bro, that was a savage entry. And from there it went up like, how much did it go? Went up right in. Like right here. 109 pips.
Yeah, indeed. That was crazy.
The only thing I'm bothered about is this thing right here.
Don't sweat it too much, I'd say.
Oh yeah, no. And it's not like that I'm not gonna take anything because of it, but just these tops right here could be annoying to come past. Thank you, Hassan. Thank you. How long have you been trading? September 2019. Black Coffee closed during registream at 1910. Oh damn, my guy. Diamonds ending yesterday. Look, yeah, man. Thank you. That was at least 80 pips for you right there. In the session, we already had 83 pips. We touched 83 pips inside our session when we started to go up to this top right here. 1910.30. Anish, do you offer a mentorship program? Not yet.
Yo.
Yo, what's up, man?
Yeah, I'm good, and you?
Yeah, perfect. Do you take gold buys?
Yeah, but a bit stupidly. I'm not very happy. I mean, I made some profit, but because I got in so a bit late. I wanted to get in when it broke the 999.50. I got in a bit late and a bit stupidly because I didn't acknowledge how big my stops were going to be. So I closed some, I closed half, pretty much at break even. And so now that it did the move, I only had half on. But hey, it is what it is. Secured some, made a bit of profits. I closed even more than half, I think. So yeah, I made a bit of profit, but it is what it is.
At least profit is profit, right?
Exactly.
Would you take a buy on gold if it comes back down to 1999.60? Yeah, I would wait for a support before. That's what I'm looking for right now. I'm looking for price to come back, create a 5-minute support, then buy, expect price to break 1902.95, and then continue moving up towards 1908.45. So I don't know about GJ, man. I'm not gonna play. I'm nah. Yeah, you see selling opportunity forming right here to retest the low, but that's how many pips, man? That's not even 10 pips. I'm not a fan. Yeah, I'm not looking into GJ. It's the only way I'm gonna be looking for a GJ. It's gonna be below the 1 hour, I think it is. Yeah, and the 1 hour is gonna be below that 400. On the 4 hour, gonna be looking below yeah, let's say below here 500 flat for buys. We could already look a little bit at this level right here, but still not. I'm still not convinced by the way it moves, man. Just ugly, to be honest with you. Just really, really ugly. Line on the top right here. And for safe buys, it's gonna be above that 154.800 level. And the reason I'm just not touching GJ right now is just because it's ranging so much. The range is gonna. Someone just dropped in a position.
No, it's me. I moved stop loss.
Okay.
Because it broke the 1 hour high. I moved
Okay.
it to the 1 hour low that it
Nice.
currently made.
Nice. Yeah, I'm waiting for a support to form. And then, what lot size would you recommend with a 25k account? If you're trading that amount and with a 25k
Sheesh.
account and you don't know what lot size you're going to be trading, then I think it's best to start with 0.03 and learn how to manage risk. Otherwise, the 25k is going to be gone in 2 months. Give you 2 months. So start learning how to manage risk before you're going to be, you know, trying to trade with a 25k account. That's the thing as well. People think, oh, I got a huge account now, trade. It doesn't work like that. Do for, I would say, a longer time, even not even 2 weeks. I would say 2 months, 1 to 2 months. You're not gonna learn how to trade in 2 weeks, so I think it's best to really see those 2-3 months of low lot sizes. Maybe step up to 0.10 or 0.20 over time, but don't just start with 2 lots or whatever, because you're gonna get hurt if you do that. No, I know how to trade. You guys use fake lot size. I use percentage-wise risk, but what? Why would I? If you know how to trade, why would I need to recommend you what lot size you use if you already know what percentage you're risking? It doesn't make sense if you're gonna ask me what lot size you use if you already trade. Then you should already know. That's not a smart question. Yeah, I would. Iconic God, if you already know how to trade, I would just start trading with 1 lots, not even 10 lots. People call in 10 lots. Just start with 1 lots again. Until you start getting comfortable with 1 lots, you can start using bigger lots. Ooh, look at gold breaking up. Very nice. A potential entry was above the 1 hour candle with a stop loss right here. I wasn't really looking for that. So and the reason why is because we're coming up to the new zone. I rather want to close inside the new zone and then see what we can do. But what do you want to say?
I want to see Master P. He must be banking now. Hope he holds some.
Yeah, he's securing the highest position, leaving the rest run to the top. Man's gonna make bank today if he's holding that for us.
I mean, this could be a very nice move. Because looking on the 4 hour, it could at least go to like maybe 1907, I would say.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, he already closed positions, I think.
Yeah, I mean,
Before.
just at least to 1902, that was already like, for me,
Yeah.
I've already banked like 25 pips, but on a small amount.
Very nice.
I mean, this was their week to trade gold.
Yeah, man. This was insane for gold.
I just entered a
I
buy on
like
gold.
Ewan.
I know.
What's up,
Nice,
my
nice.
man? You're in 20 pips.
Yeah, well, it's weird. It hit my partial take profit, and then the pop-up came up saying it closed 90%, but it didn't close the 90%.
Oh, what? Do you have auto click the thing on? That you're about to one click trading is activated.
I don't know, actually.
You have to do that, otherwise your partial take profits are not gonna work.
Okay.
You need to go to settings, I think. What? Yeah, you have to go to settings and then let me take a look, man. Let me take a look for you.
So, okay. My stop loss is a break even, so it's not going to be a losing trade.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's good, man. That's good. What's your exact entry? It's like 1992.55.
It's like 1902.13.
Ooh, man said a pretty good entry though.
13. Yeah, well, to be honest, I wanted to get it on the close, and it jumped up like 2-3 pips.
Oh, okay. Jessica, good morning. Good morning.
Oh, one click trade.
Yeah, you need to have that activated.
I've not had it activated before.
Is it off?
I mean, normally when you move stop loss and stuff like that, like you should have it have it activated.
Yeah, I was thinking about that too.
Yeah, it's strange, isn't it? I'll have to play around. Something happened yesterday. I was trying to take an entry yesterday, and I missed the gold entry because of it. I was trying to enter on a different pair. So, oh goodness. Yeah, well, my trade was a winning trade. I'm not too fussed. Just my account's not going to see it.
Oh, shit, man, that's fucked up.
I know, tell me, man. Oh well.
Oh, it is what it is. Next time we're gonna get it anyways, because you know you took the good trade, right?
Yeah, exactly.
That's the most important thing. I look, trading 3 pairs okay to trade for one session, or is this bad? It depends on how long you've been trading. If you've been trading for like if you just started trading like 3 months ago, then I would suggest you to just trade with one pair. Like what I ultimately suggest to do is just focus on one pair for 6 months or 8 months until you mastered the pair and you're able to get continuous consistency out of it, and then start looking for another pair. Because otherwise you're going to be taking this like different strategies on different pairs, and all pairs move a little bit different, right? You're not going to trade the same strategy on gold that you're going to be doing on GJ. Even though price action is nearly the same, there is a lot of differences in the way price moves at the end of the day as well. So it might do deeper pullbacks, or might do like a small different things on different candle bodies or closes, or so you really want to focus just on one pair, right? All the technical fundamentals of that pair down, and don't try and combine them. Just keep them with GJ and keep the other ones with gold, or I don't know what pair you're trading. Keep all those pairs different from each other. And if you're trading GJ and GU at the same time, I would definitely be careful and not do that. That's I've heard from a lot of people that that's gonna hurt you. Yeah, wick for Forex. Yeah, that's exactly. Try and do one pair first, and then start doing another pair.
And Frank.
Yep.
You've spoke to IC Markets before, haven't you? Customer service.
Yeah. I called them in the beginning.
Ah, right, okay. That's fine. I was just wondering how you contacted them. I think I'll just call them.
No. Yeah, I can't. But the only thing is, like I didn't even think about it, but it was a bit stupid of me. Is that when you call them, I mean, they're I don't know exactly what it is. I think like somewhere maybe in Africa. I have no idea actually, but it cost me quite a lot of money to call them.
How much?
Because I think like I was on the phone because I didn't like add papers like they didn't accept or something. I was like 15 minutes with them and it was like 10 euros, something like that. But that's because of my phone.
I think they're in the UK based. I think no, like the phone call, you're calling to the UK. I think.
I don't think so. I don't think it was in the UK. But yeah, just like if you call them, just like watch out.
What was the plus number in front?
I don't know. What, in France?
No, the plus number that you called. So plus.
I don't remember honestly.
Okay.
But I just know. I mean, I don't have the best like mobile subscription, so I can't call like international like for free. Like to some countries I can, some I can't, and I didn't think about that, and so I had to pay for the call.
Okay.
Well, why don't you just use live chat?
I did afterwards. That's yeah. In the beginning I was like, I just kind of in a rush, and I thought, oh, why not call them? And after I was like, yeah, this is stupid. Live chat is really good on IC Markets. Like the response,
the best support ever.
Yeah.
Yeah, IC Markets, they amaze me. The only thing I didn't like is that that they couldn't put over my account from the Australian one to the global one, but I had to do that myself and use another email. But at the end of the day,
same.
Because some people they were able to move it straight away.
No, I couldn't. I had to wait until it was done, like until they actually officially moved to the global one, and then I had to do it myself manually.
Oh no, I signed up and then I signed up to the wrong one because I didn't know. Yeah, I know you signed up as well. I know, but I signed up to the wrong one.
Oh shoot.
Yeah, okay. I signed up to the wrong one because I didn't see any global ones or anything. So I was like, okay, this one is right. Okay, so I signed up, and then with a 15 close bearish, pretty nice. Now I'm looking for a retest down towards 18.99.50. So then price started. Price. I'm talking. Okay, now then I signed up, and then I was signed up to the wrong one, so I was only able to use like 1 to 30 leverage. And,
okay.
And then I asked, "Could you move the account?" And they're like, "No, you need to delete the account or whatever, or use another email to sign up to the new one." But on some people, they were able to just move them over. Like some people in the support team, they just move you over without questioning.
Okay, I see.
So yeah, IC Markets is good. Otherwise I can't see the time. If you're not subscribed yet, we're about to hit 8,000 guys, so click that subscribe button. You know it. 29 away, coming in hot.
Master P's going to be eating pizza every day now with this gold movement.
Yeah. I'm looking for price to break the 15-minute low. The only problem is that the 5-minute closed with a wick, but at the end of the day, 15-minute time frame is stronger, I'm looking for price to break that and then continue moving down. towards here, create a support, retest 1903.70, and then continue moving up towards 1908.40. But this is the reason why I looked out a little bit at this area, because this was in a rejection area right here. You also look on the higher time frames. This was a zone where he tapped into. Morning, Luke. Can you see my EU analysis? Yes, sir. Looks pretty good. It's breaking the 50-minute low. Very nice. Very, very nice. Now the counter trend guys are tapping that sell button right now. Like, sell, sell. No. You just gotta be patient. Wait for the correct move to happen and then look for buys in this trend. This sells below this area. Good idea. I don't know what you're trying to do right here. I'm thinking you're trying to retest that area and come back down to retest the low. You're saying buys above. That makes some sense. You got clean traffic to the left. Should you consider the lower wicks or the higher wicks? Yeah, this is a zone right here. This is a pretty strong zone right here. So you want to stay out of that zone. I think if you want to see price retest this low, you could better wait for price to come up towards this level. Yo, in the gym, Baba boy, and then wait for price to create a resistance and try and retest the low or buys above your level that you have right here. Looks pretty okay, but I don't know about this. I don't know. It's way too far up. If you want to do some counter trend stuff. How would you determine a bias in the market? Would you mind explaining it, legend? Sure. So, just have to go to the higher time frames. And you see where price is moving, right? What's price doing? Pushing up. This is all from years ago. Where at the end of the day, we're pushing up. Now, in the monthly time frame, this is monthly bias, right? Monthly bias, if you're trading monthly time frames, created a new high, created a higher low right here, created support at the end of the day as well. Started pushing up. Now we're coming up towards this monthly resistance, so there could be some issues at this level. Now here you see weekly time frame pushing bullish. Also coming up towards this level right here to the left. Now I don't think we're gonna hit this level anymore, but you see the bias. Where are we going? This is the easiest thing to see. We're going up, right? We're going up. We're not going down. We're going up. Also based on the lower time frames right here on the daily time frame, we did have a daily close against us, but at the end of the day, where are we heading? Going bullish, right? What could help you is how to draw lines. I don't draw line. I don't do any lines. But what could help you is drawing those lines. Not taking the lines into consideration, but once you draw the lines, you know where the bias is going. So we're going up right now. We're going up. So in all the time frames, you can see price making higher highs and higher lows. Price is making a higher high, higher low. Price at some consolidation, but also a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So we're pushing bullish right now. Once you see price coming down, you're going to be seeing price making this is very big lower low, lower high, but you're going to be seeing price making this is the high right here, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and this is the low. We're coming back up, and now we started to respect this area right here to the left. Then on the higher time frames, you came back down again. So you want to be looking for either maybe with a little bit of a trend line, or you're going to be looking for higher lows and higher highs, or lower lows and lower highs, or you're going to be seeing consolidation. So consolidation, there could still be a trend, let's say a bullish trend or whatever. or a bearish trend, then you're gonna be looking rather for buys than for sells. But you always want to be fluid as well. So if sells come into play, you're gonna be looking for sells as well. Not in a full-on bullish market, you're gonna be looking for sells, because otherwise we all would have been selling at this 50-minute low. Now we're not gonna do that, right? We're gonna wait for a support to form, go with the bias to retest the high and continue moving further up, all based on the 4-hour time frame right here, because we closed bullish, created support above the previous zone right here, above this previous zone. But the probability of coming back up with this clean region of 4-hour to the left right here to 1908.35 or 40, whatever price it is, just had a high probability because we created the higher high and the higher low. Now what do you expect when the higher high and the higher low is created? You're going to expect price to make a new higher high, right? In between this zone. I hope it was a little bit well explained. Are you looking for sells at the break of the 50-minute candle on gold? No, I want to see support created for buys. Perfect. Dot fake. Perfect.
Yeah, it's looking pretty good for buys once it forms that support of the 15.
Yeah,
should be pretty good.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Man is just dropping in 2 positions at the same time. Man like Master P. Did you secure?
Yeah, I secured my second position, and I have like the first position. I have 10% running.
How much profit did you make? Made a lot today.
Yeah, I still have a position open, but so far like almost 2%, almost.
Very nice.
Yeah,
You're holding this position till full position till the top, right?
Whoa, no, not full position. Who said
Why
full
not?
position?
Why not?
I already closed 90%.
Why? Come on, man. You knew where the 4-hour was heading.
Yeah, I know. But like the first position, I had to manage risk on it because it was
Okay.
on the 5-minute. Like,
Okay.
yeah, if you go to the 5-minute, I'll show you what I did. Like, I took it right here at the close of this candle, expecting, you know, the next one to kind of retest the highs like this, and then add the other position there. But it kind of had low volume and retested the lows first. This is like what I expected yesterday to happen. So I kind of adapted to what happened yesterday, since the 5-minute yesterday just went straight up without ever like retesting the lows and then breaking that structure. So yeah, that's why I took it there. But I was thinking of adding another position there, but I'm like, yeah, let's just wait for the 4-hour high to break.
Yeah, that makes
Oh
sense.
fuck, there goes my runner. It's okay.
It is what it is, right?
Yeah, it was a 10% runner.
We can't swear too much anymore, because yesterday there was a new policy again.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
They added a new policy?
Yeah.
Oh, damn.
Thing.
Because they were listening to the stream. They were like, yeah.
The jar was filled up.
The jar was filled, yeah.
Yeah, man. You can do it, but just not like really not often. Otherwise, you're gonna be butthurt.
What does the policy say? Is it something?
No, it's just a massive thing. Yeah, that where you had to fill in if you're if you swear in the stream, or do certain types of content, or you know.
So yeah, 10K, we're gonna get a dance.
Yeah, man.
Hope you prepare and you're training for that.
Yeah, I got it, fam. I got it.
Been taking salsa classes on the weekends.
Salsa, damn.
I don't know what.
I don't even know what dance I have to do, man. Come on.
Wanna see you break dancing?
Break now? I can't. Yeah, okay. I can do the. I used to do it as a kid.
Yeah.
I don't know if I can do it anymore. I'm bad at dancing, man. Don't expect me. I can only do that 80s, 90s vibe.
He's gonna do something.
Yeah, let's wait for the support to form. Take cheeky buys up. Yeah. Yeah, you could swear, but just we need to lower it down a little bit. We swear a little bit too much.
Taste has to be done tastefully, of course.
Yeah. Look, what time frame did you enter your gold trade yesterday? 5 minute. 5 minute time frame. 5 minute time frame went 100 pips.
1 second chart.
1 second chart. My God. What would that look like? That would be an insane mess.
On Tradingview, you do have the like 1 second, 5 seconds, 15, 30.
What?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, but you need to upgrade for that.
Oh, seconds. Oh man, that would be insane. What's ranges? What's this?
I think
Oh,
those
yeah,
are the
Tom.
ticks. The ticks, every 1 tick, every 10 ticks, 100 ticks. Yeah, the 1 second, 30 seconds is over trader's dream. But I think you
Like
need to.
1 second, jump in. 1 second, jump in.
Yeah.
Come on,
But-
boys.
Yeah, you need to pay, I think, for one of the highest plans. So not only are you gonna lose money in trading, but you're also gonna lose money on the subscription.
Yesterday's daily candle was bearish with a long wick. It's not a sign to a reverse trend long term. Yeah, but I'm trading short term, so don't worry, my man. We're scalping, swing trading base. You might gonna be looking for sales soon. Yeah, maybe you're gonna be breaking the low because did price break any structure on the daily? No, right? Low is still being respected. We're all Gucci.
Yeah, I mean, as long as you stay above at least the previous 4-hour low, I mean, should go up.
Yeah. If you start breaking that, then you're gonna be looking for sales.
Mm.
Hi, look, is trading a maximum 5 trades a day? Okay, no. You only gotta be taking 1 or 2 trades.
But if you're using the 1 second chart, then maybe it's acceptable.
No. Still not. Still not.
I'm joking.
What would the 1 second chart be looking like with unemployment claims?
Yeah.
Hope you have good internet connection for that one.
Yeah, I think it should be good.
Yeah, GJ's not doing anything. I don't know if you looked
No.
at it, but
Yeah, I looked at it, but I'm like
Still
I'm
nothing.
looking for buys still above the same range as 777 or let's say 800, and then sells below 525 or 470. There's 2 things I'm looking at on GJ. Otherwise, I'm not going to be touching GJ. Too dangerous for me, man. Too dangerous. I like risk, but this is just getting yourself in a nasty position. Like nasty position. Only just arrived. Did you catch the gold move up? No. I'm looking for a retrace. To continue moving up. The 5 minute is starting to close weak. If you look on the 5 minute time frame, last candle closed out of the wick. This candle's closing weak. So let's see if we can get anything into play. I'm a new subscriber, Luke. Good work, keep going. Thank you, man, Shyam. Thank you. Ooh,
Nick is in.
we're coming close, man. We're coming close. 30-minute closure as well. Did close inside, but doesn't really matter. This is a sport that needs to be respected.
I think a bullish 15-minute is gonna do the trick over here.
Yeah, I'll see. Hey,
You're probably looking to get a wick entry right at 98.600.
What?
A wick entry at 98.600.
Yeah. No, I'm waiting for some candles to start closing on our direction before I'm going to be looking into anything. At the end of the day, the 30-minute did close bearish, so there could be time for a deeper retrace towards. Let me go to the 30-minute. Oh no, we're Gucci, man.
Yeah, you saw the
We
5
could
minute, you're
retest
like, "We're
this.
Gucci."
No, we could retest at 97.50 area, but
Mhm.
let's see.
Yeah, if this
Now the thing is, we need to close above that 1999.50 area.
Yeah,
Otherwise,
because
they're
then
gonna.
you can call this 5 minute strong enough to continue up.
Yes, yeah.
Potentially.
But I will maybe look first into breaking the high, rather than taking it based on price just closing.
True.
That's what happens with gold a lot. Like once you don't wait for the high to be broken, you're gonna get slapped. And the thing with these trades is that there is not really a way to manage your risk if you start coming down straight away. So you really want to be careful with these trades.
Yeah, exactly.
But it could be retesting this top right here to the left as well, the entry you have. DNA, Matt, if you started trading an hour earlier, would you have taken the break on gold at 1898? Yes. Yes, I would have. But I'm Gucci. But this is alright. If we could start creating a support above that 1997.50, that would be okay as well. I wouldn't mind at all. But then I might be looking for a closure above the 99.50 or 1900 flat, because that's a level. Or if I have enough range between this zone and I can start going at break even before we pass this level, then I would risk it for the biscuit.
Exactly, because I'm looking at this zone too, but I'm not like this one, but I'm not looking at
Yeah,
it
yeah.
as a resistance. It's more like a confluence. If a candle closes above, then you can call that a strong bullish candle to continue driving up. But if it
Yes.
closes like below it, then you call it a weak candle. So it's not I'm not necessarily looking at the level. I'm just
Yes,
looking
sir.
how candles are behaving with this level.
5 minute closed. Close is still okay. Everything is perfect. Now there's a couple very nice scenarios that are coming up right now, as we are looking at the charts. The Forex simulator, for example, Suffer Forex, the same with this bar, reply and Tradingview. Or do they have some different characteristic? Yeah, I think they're a little bit different. I think the way they move is different as well. I'm not sure, man. I don't really use simulators.
I think the soft Forex one is a little more smooth on TradingView. Like it doesn't show you the candles forming. It just
Oh yeah, it skips them, right?
yeah, it skips straight to the close. But on the soft Forex, you can actually see the ticks and how the candle formed.
Yeah, that's important as well, because then you can see how price moves, how many times you see price coming up and down, up and down, up and down, you know. So yeah, I think it's best to do software Forex. It's not even that expensive. It's like $100. You divide that with someone else, you got 2 licenses, it's going to be only $50. So should be good, man. Should be good. 5 minutes pushing up. Now you can just wait for closures. Don't just jump into a trade. Wait for candles to close. See where price is closing, where you want to see price closing for you to take any trades, right?
where would you place your SL? I don't know, man. Where would you place it? What does your plan say? Do you place it below the lows? Below? Do you use like an indicator to do that? So that's up to your own discretion, my man. A little sick. It's up to you.
Yeesh. Where would you place stop loss? Man,
We're
Just
not
that-
here for signals. Figure it
No.
out yourself.
yeah, just learn. Just not figure out yourself. Learn from what we're doing. Don't
Yeah.
just try and copy what we're doing. Learn from what we're doing. And I don't know if I'm gonna get in based on anything yet, so I'm waiting. We're using capital F. Man like Master P.
Well, he used capitals in the text too.
Yeah. You use capitals while speaking. Oh my man. Let's see. Bruv. You know how close we are. We are very, 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 very close.
8K or so incoming. Did we hit that?
Yeah, it's 14 left. 14 subscribers.
Ooh.
14. Who's gonna be the
13,
lucky
13.
14? Ooh, who's gonna be the lucky 13 that are
Sheesh.
gonna get us to the promised land?
8,000 boys, damn.
Came a long way.
5 minutes not good enough. I'm looking to really see a well closure. Maybe this 15 closing bullish. That would be a good situation.
For me, what I'm looking is like the 1 hour, so closing bearish, so this 30-minute bearish, and the next 30, or even at the break of the high, like once it breaks like 99, 30 around those levels, I think then it's good to go back up.
Yep. My God. Hi, look,
Yeah.
is trading for 4 hours a day too long? Yes, sir. I would just call it 2 or 3 hours and call it one.
Well, it's right on the limit.
Yeah,
'cause-
it's on the limit.
yeah.
I wouldn't
'Cause
do
if
it because you're gonna overtrade if you already took trades, man.
Yeah, because if you look at a volume session, it typically lasts 3 to 4 hours. It's like 1 4-hour candle you'd be trading, so it makes sense, but it's like right on the limit. You definitely don't want to go any further than 4 hours.
Yep. Frank is always super loud.
Oh.
Sometimes you're very quiet, and then sometimes if you speak, you're like boom.
Yeah, I don't know my mic because sometimes I also forget it. and,
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm always too quiet on the mic. I need to remember to speak up.
Yeah, it's 50-50 with you. You're loud as well. Sometimes you're
Oh,
very
yeah.
quiet, and sometimes you're bang. Like, I was making an Instagram video like a second ago, and like, I hear you talking. I was like, what the fuck? Oh wait, need to calm down with.
Ooh, relax.
uh,
Yeah,
yeesh.
it depends if I have my coffee or not. Right now I had my coffee, so it might be a little louder. But yesterday didn't have my coffee, so
I want this 15 minutes to start flipping a little bit bullish, to be honest with you, to continue the trend. I ever looked into the Imshimoku indicator? No, and I don't really care either.
I know that you don't really need it. It's not that helpful.
Okay. Yeah, this 5 minute needs to start pushing up a little bit towards that open of the 15, and then start closing, and then break the high after making a new low, and then we're all gonna be Gucci. Amy Paul, I love the stream. I don't come here to take a trade, but learn how to trade without indicators. It's such an amazing skill. Thumbs up, Luke. Thank you for being here. Appreciate that a lot. I need some different beats, man.
Yeah, we have no music.
Yeah, you get those beats onto the Zoom.
Yes, sir. There you go. Check BTC USD. No. I don't trade that, my man. I just it's off here as well. Sometimes TradingView just deletes things off here, man. No joke. Here, BTC USD. Yeah, I don't know about this situation, man. You're in a very delicate spot right now. There's two situations. Are you gonna buy more? Or whatever price is gonna do, it's gonna do. 1 minute and 55 seconds left for this 5-minute to close. Don't know if I'm gonna act up on this though, because it's looking not that fresh. Maybe we have someone sending in a banner. Cool. No, I don't want to go there. Google. There you go. Yeah, this 5-minute needs to close like at 90.99 or a little bit above. Then we're all gonna be Gucci.
Someone in the Zoom chat mentioned we use the eyes indicator.
Yeah, it's true though.
We use our eyes. I
It's
love
true
that.
Yeah, Raja was saying that.
Nice.
And like somebody asked, what's the indicator you use? I use the EYE indicator.
Nice.
After they were like saying, oh, some of you have lagging indicators.
Yeah, your eyes are like the only leading.
Okay, guys, we have a couple of there's a guy in the YouTube, New Normal Earnings is his name, and he decided, and one other person, I have Samuel as well. He's also doing some graphic designs for me. New Normal Earnings. He made a couple logos for the banner background, and they look actually pretty sick. Now, the only thing I need to know is everything non-copyright, but man, they made a fucking good job out of this. Like an insane job, like really insane.
But
So-
what, you have like couple of them?
What do you say?
You have couple of them or just one?
I have 2 designs right here. I'm gonna
Okay,
download
nice.
it for a second, and then I can show you guys what it exactly is, because this is pretty looking pretty insane, guys. This is looking pretty insane. I did not expect this. I expected something, but definitely not this. Look at this. Sheesh!
Nice.
That's sick.
dope.
That's sick, guys. 50-minute close, bearish.
That's hella
But-
dope.
Yeah, man.
And this,
This one is insane, guys.
oh, check gold.
Yeah, I'm looking at gold for a minute, but I really need to wait for a 5-minute close, because otherwise this is gonna
Oh,
be...
wait a minute. I thought this was the 15 that was closing right now in a minute.
Yeah, it closed, but it closed bearish. Now it's breaking the high. That's good, but I'm waiting. I need to wait for that 5-minute to close.
Yeah,
Otherwise, I'm
100%.
gonna... Yeah, it broke the 50-minute high and this and that, but you wanna... No, just not jump
Yeah,
into anything.
100%. I thought this candle was closing in a minute. That's why I'm like, oh, let's check gold.
Yeah, but guys, this looks absolutely banging, doesn't it?
100%, man. That's
This
awesome.
looks sick. And we have one other one. I'll show you guys. I think it's this one. This one. This one is sick as well, man. This one is on point at London live
Yeah.
sessions. Man, he made a fantastic job out of that. Damn.
We need like a vote on which one to put up.
Yeah, we need a
the
vote.
vote's so
They're-
On
they
Instagram, you
both-
can maybe do that. Like a poll.
Yeah, Paul. Oh, man,
yeah.
this is insane. Like, damn.
The second one can be the NY session. Yeah, but we can only have one. You
Yeah,
only
we
have
can only have one. That's the thing.
Yeah.
You have like your YouTube background, right? And but yeah, bruv, these look insane. I'm happy with that. Oh shit, we're seven subscribers away from AK, guys. You know what to do. Press the button. The AK is insane, insane. The first one is insane. Yeah, I like both. I like both a lot, to be honest. Looking at this 5-minute candle. When this 5-minute candle starts closing above this small zone, I might be looking for an entry. But let's see.
Morning,
2 minutes
sir.
left.
How you doing today?
Yo, what's up, man? How is you?
Good. Not bad. Did you get the gold trade? Tell me you got it.
No, I'm looking for a gold trade.
Yeah, Najim caught it because I went to the gym. I got up early, went to the gym.
Oh,
I saw it was going to break the resistance, and I thought it's not going to happen till pre-London. Came back, and the whole move is happening.
Yeah, but we already knew that Najim caught it.
But I knew Najim caught it. I saw the invite for the YouTube sessions pop up that you had started.
Yeah.
I was still in the gym there, so I had a quick look at the chat. I'm like, damn.
Where are you from?
Kill gold. Sorry?
Where are you from?
I'm based in London.
Oh, okay, nice.
Yeah, so it's 7:48 now. And
I
tend to get up real early. I try to get up real early, hit the gym so I could catch the streams pre-London.
Yeah.
Then I do the Raj streams too.
Okay,
and that's it for me.
Mate, very good.
Good job. So Najim killed it. You didn't get it. I didn't get it, but you know.
It is what it is, right? We're looking at something right now, so let's see.
Awesome. Let's see what we can catch. Awesome.
Yeah, man.
I'll shut up now. I'll let you crack, buddy.
No problem, man. No problem. We're about to hit 2 TPs at no. We're coming close. Ooh, 5 minute looking pretty fresh. See, hopefully close with a wick. Last 30 seconds of this 5 minute just start pushing all of a sudden.
Don't jinx nothing.
Oh no, not jinxing anything. Don't worry.
We need a you know what.
Need a wick to the top.
Yeah.
I would. If this closed without a wick to the top, I'm gonna laugh so hard. Trust. I was about to say it's about to do it.
Yeah, I think it's yeah.
Yeah.
It's done. Diddly did it. But if the next one goes down with no top wick and with a healthy
yeah, there you go. Yeah, no top wick for me, so I'm taking it easy. Based on I'm taking it easy on this one. It's moving already, but for me that no top wick is pretty crucial. Even though it's on the move right now, it's pretty crucial. Because now you see it moving, right? But this could have been the move to the other side as well because of the no top wick. We jinxed it, man. Or at least I did.
I was gonna take it on lower risk, but it wasn't favorable for me. I think
who has a lot of background noise? Always. Here, I got it. Perfect. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, I think in these circumstances, it's like acceptable to go with a no top wick. Like yesterday, I bought a 30-minute with no top wick, but I was so comfortable with that. I'm like, yeah, it's gonna go up. Like,
yeah, it makes sense.
What else can I do, right?
Yeah, it should go. It should continue moving at least to the top of this range right now. But it's all good because then we're gonna be looking for buys above this level, right?
Yeah,
so,
indeed.
You don't have to worry if you're not in this trade. I think entry could have been that 50-minute break at the high in 1899.50. But still, it's Gucci. Don't worry.
Good morning, guys.
Morning, Najim.
Yo.
Good morning. How are you doing, Luke?
Yo, what's up, man? You're in from gold since like 1895, 90?
Yeah, got that, and I got that first move up there too, above that resistance.
But wait, what was your exact entry?
The first one was, let me see.
Just calling some low numbers.
It's at 18. No wait, yeah, 1892.77.
My God. I was trying to call low numbers. This man just grabs it 92.
Yeah. And I got the other move too from there. I'm
Damn.
done. I got the last position of 40 pips.
Nice, nice.
Stopped the runner got stopped, and I'm done for the today.
Look, do you know that no top or no bottom wick in a 5 minutes is something normal? Yeah, but for moves like this, I do want to see a top wick. I've seen it happen over and over again. That price does reverse, and it reverses very hard without you being able to, you know, manage any positions.
I think with
I
experience.
got the sells in the dream as well. You got the buys, I got the sells.
Abdullah, you got the sets?
Yeah, I got the sells from 1902.
We were talking about you. I said probably Abdullah got those sets.
You guys have
Yeah.
Essian Franken, you got a good entry though. That was good above the 50-minute high. I just wanted to. The reason why I didn't take it on the 50-minute high is because there was not any 5 minutes closing bullish, and this one already broke the previous low. So for me, it was a waiting game. Now you saw this 5-minute closing outside. This could have been your entry if you were in this entry. You had around a 15-17 pip stop loss. You would have been around 13 pips in profit. But for me, it's just I had to close with a wick for me to be able to enter. Now, if I see price come down and still create some support still above this level, above that 99.50, then obviously I'll take it. And we can continue moving up. We rejected this small zone here.
Yeah, but to be frank, there are situations on gold where maybe the lower time frames do close with no top wick, but it's still high probability to continue up.
Yes.
But that'll take experience. Yeah, like yesterday I had that no wick 30-minute, but I'm like, yeah, screw this, man. This thing is going up,
Yeah.
uptown, up
Very
the
nice.
alley.
Good to the alley. But this should be good if you're in from this level right here. Should be good to go towards the top right here. Now for me, it's just chilling out, maybe waiting for a 5-minute to come back down. But as you can see, this one is already breaking the high, so should continue moving. Yeah, you just have to be patient. No need to jump in anything. There's no FOMO or whatever. Just have to be, you know, waiting for your correct setup. You want to know, you want to be in the best possible position you can be in. So, yeah, there's might be sometimes some sort of risk on the table, which you don't usually take, and you could take that. This was a 5-minute you could have taken, but for me it was just I was just gonna wait because it already broke the low, then it started to break the highs, so the probability was already less by doing that, by disrespecting the lows. So, and after that closing without a top wick, that was oh my god.
Woo! What was that?
I got the 25 pips.
Oh, Frank.
Damn.
No, wait,
Very
it's not
nice.
25. Wait, I'm tripping.
Miscalculated.
19, sorry.
Well done, man.
Well, today was a blast.
Very nice. But go up or down? You see going up right now, right? Gotta be patient. That was very, very loud, Frank.
Sorry.
Don't do it again, please.
For me, it was not even that loud. I mean,
No, it was okay. He came into the mic with a big sheesh.
Yeah.
sheesh.
It was more of a woo.
Well, guys, I gotta do one thing real quick. You know what we hit?
Ooh.
Yeah.
What did we
Hey.
hit? Let's see.
We hit 8,000.
Damn, Daniel.
Damn, Daniel. Thank you, guys. 8,000. Jesus, man.
Sheesh.
Sheesh. Thank you, guys. Amazing. It would have been better if we were in this gold trade at the same time, but sometimes you gotta just be patient, right? So even though it moved up and all that stuff, it's just not the correct setup. So, thank you guys. Thank you. Amazing. Now I do see the likes. We got 430 people in and only 190 likes. So pump those numbers up. Those are rookie numbers.
You
Hey,
guys
please
know the
check out this chart. Sure. Let me check out the chart. And then we're gonna look at those banners for a second because we haven't really looked into that deep. Now, what I would want to see for me to get a good entry. To be honest, you're a smart trader. Thank you, man. To get a good entry, I want to see those 5-minute close weak come back down, then create a support above that 18.9960. Once we created that support, I'm looking to retest this high, and then continue moving. So, thank you. Forex Wally Combat, thank you. Can you explain your trade on gold? I didn't take a trade on gold. But the trade on gold was a no-go for me because there were pretty much, if you have like five musts, there were 2 musts were already off the table, and that was by breaking and disrespecting the lows, and by closing without a top wick.
For me, the idea was the 15-minute. If you look, it broke the 15-minute high, and so that was, I mean, it was very clear traffic, so you could expect then the 30-minute and the 15 to then go and retest the resistance.
Yes, sir.
And because we're such in a bullish trend, that was just like a little fake out for it to like push back up. I feel like back in that zone.
Yeah, makes sense. How do you send charts? You go here to the right top corner. You see this camera icon, right? Click on it. You see your URL. Go all the way to the right. Don't paste the entire URL because I can't see that. And I go from this /x/ and then this part. Copy this part and then put that in the chat. Yeah, I think you could put it a little bit closer. You need to put it a little bit closer. This one is pretty okay, 153,500. But this one could be above this level, like 800. You don't want to be inside this range. That's pretty good. But ooh, you see the 5 minutes pushing. If you're in, you should be all good. I'm just waiting for candles to come back down to create a support for me to buy off. Because now we started breaking up, so very good. The 1 hour should be rejecting soon. Now, what also could be a possibility where I might get in is once we start breaking 1903.75. If we start closing bullish with this candle, because that's going to form an opportunity for us. So pretty good. But these two, if I want to talk about these two for a second, my God.
It's like somebody in the chat, if you go to the second one, mentioned if you make like the bull bullish and then the bear you make like red. What about
nice
that?
drawing.
Hold on, let me do that for you real quick. We'll do like make it a little red.
But this one is sick too, though. I like this one a lot.
With the candles in the background.
Yeah, the only thing is that it all has to be non-copyright. Otherwise, they're gonna have some big problems.
Well, I don't think it's copyright, right?
You don't know. Yeah, if it's fully made by himself, yeah, then it's no copyright. And if it's all changed by himself, but don't know yet. So I really need to question it. I don't want to get someone after me with a copyright claim, asking me 10,000 because I'm using your logo. I'm not.
Yeah.
That's not. There's.
Well, they would ask for a percentage of your revenue then. Like if you use somebody's song in a non-copyright way on your stream, then they're gonna strike you and be like, hey, I want your money that you made on this stream.
Yeah, but if you use logos or pictures or whatever, you can have big problems.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be a little different.
Yeah, that's gonna be you're gonna be having some problems right there. Better the red live logo in orange.
I think 1 hour a week is gonna get filled on gold. Come down again.
Okay. Yeah, let's see.
Down again.
I like both of them. They're both very, very sick. I mean, I like the cleanness of this one, right?
Yeah, the first one has those details, but the second one is so clean.
But this one also compares very good to the logo I have, right? With the blue.
True, because it's blue.
But this one also, you know, with the red bear and then the live logo like this.
True.
But this one is serious, on point. Delicate situation to choose from, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, the 1 hour is about to close. Oh wait, already closed. Good morning. Close week bearish. This 1 hour needs to close bullish. This one. If this one starts closing bullish, we're gonna have a very good situation, or break the previous highs. Good morning. I was looking at the wrong 1 hour time frame, but that doesn't matter. Oh, good. You're about to fill the wicks. 8,000 subscribers. Insane, guys. Insane. Yo, ATR. How are you, man? GG still doing nothing. Doesn't even make sense to be looking at it. You know what would be a pretty good situation? Start forming support on this 15-minute. Start closing above 1902.95 with the 15, and then start breaking the 1903.75 level high to catch those buys further up. That would be a good situation. I think that it's gonna form a very nice move up towards the top of this range, towards 1908. First one is cool and stands out pretty well. Yeah, that's the thing. The first one stands out very, very well. Very, very well. Look, he's smashing it after a gold trade yesterday, man. Getting to know. Look, it's not a joke. Yeah, thank you, man. Just learning how to manage risk and then taking the correct trades. It's gonna help you. Just take the correct trades, even if you lose a couple times, and learn how to manage that risk of the trades you lost. Then over time, your wins are going to be a lot bigger than your losses, even though sometimes you have more losses than your wins. Like if you also look at Rakil last, that was what month was that? Like February or March? Yeah, the 50% win rate. Now, most people would think, oh, you have a 50% win rate, then you're not winning or even losing. You're break even. No, with full-on profits, because learning how to manage risk, and those 50% losses were maybe 20% or 30% of what he was initially risking on the 2% or 1% risk. So the wins were way bigger than that. So you don't have to worry if you lose sometimes or whatever. Just make sure that the losses are small, and if the losses are small, you're all gonna be Gucci, man. You're all gonna be Gucci. It's the only thing you gotta do. People are looking for like continuous continuous wins constantly. See like, oh, you know, have that winning streak of 20 wins in a row or whatever, and never lose again. But that's not how it works. 11 like nice. Yeah, my like James explains it the right way right there. My man. Player. Let's take a little look on GU. Okay. Yeah, it's still at that 4-hour support level, even though it closed below. And it broke the previous bullish candle high. So, it's a delicate situation. There's a lot of ranginess to this chart as well. So, like all the a lot of pound pairs are ugly right now. Really, really ugly. Now Euro USD looks pretty good. If you start closing bearish with this candle and the next one starts closing and breaking the high at the previous 30-minute candle's highs, so at like you need to fully break it at 1.22027, then you can start continuing moving further up towards 171 or 200 flat, and then continue moving up toward 391 if that plays out, because the previous 4 hour also closed bullish. You're still in a bullish trend, you're going up, so you're trying to mirror the move here to the left. So I think buys on that are maybe soon going to play out. So you should be good if price starts breaking above. There's this resistance here to the left, so that's what it's acting up on right now. You start closing above that, you're going to be Gucci. Entry point for gold, no entry point right now. Even though it closed without a wick, just want it to come down. The only thing that bothers me right now is that it's rejecting off this zone. So I don't know if I still want to be inside this range. But if you took the buys from here, you should have been in around for 24 pips profit and out of the trade, or at least have only 10% running. So now it's just waiting again for price either to close outside or a strong close right here, a bullish candle closure. But on the 30-minute candle right now, if this 30-minute candle is closing bearish, we are pretty much ranging. So then you're going to be looking for price to go outside 1902.95 for you to start buying. Yo, Khalid, love you too, man, bro. You know it. USD CAD for me. And Andrew, man, why are you trading USD CAD when both markets are closed? That's not a smart idea, bro. Try and stay out of those markets that are closed. You need at least one market to be open to get volume up and running for the pair. So it doesn't make sense if you're going to trade a pair where both markets are pretty much closed. Yo, look, hope you're good. Any change of mind? Look, the gold trade that I did today and explain where I went wrong. Yeah, man, Will P, send in the chart. Send in the chart and I'll take a look at it. The way you can't be like that. So good, everyone has to learn. Everyone comes from the beginning. Everyone did that. Maybe I didn't really do that, but everyone maybe did that. Okay, I actually did from the real beginning. Did do some stupid shit, but it was fun. Yeah, new normal earnings. I saw it, man. I got them up on the screen. Man's making fire things, man. The new normal earnings. He's in the chat. He's the guy that revised these. Now we're trying to decide here which one we're gonna take. But I only wanted to know one thing. New normal earnings. Are they like non-copyright? Like can I not be like copyright? You know, can I get someone that wants a copyright claim after me or whatever? That's the only thing I have to know. It all needs to be non-copyright. Otherwise, I'm going to be having a very big problem. Guys, thank New Normal Earnings. He made the banners. Very cool. There's a lot of background noise. Some people put their mics on and don't even talk. Come on, guys. I think they're very awesome, man. The only thing is that I need to know that they're non-copyright, and then it's gonna be perfect. Double top of gold, 50 minutes. No, not really.
That's what I said. We trading 1 hour.
I don't hear what you say, man. You're falling away.
I said wick fill in 1 hour.
Okay. Oh, this is bearish wick fill. Okay.
Yeah.
Congratulations for the 8,000 subscribers. Thank you, man. Thank you. Have you looked at USD silver? No, I haven't looked at it yet. Maybe I'll take a look at it. I think I have it somewhere here. There you go. Turns out this pair is moving pretty well, but pretty much it the same. Ooh, this was a buying opportunity, only it didn't really work out. I don't know the pip wise moves. I think this is 10 pips. I don't know how fast it moves.
I think silver's more trash than gold in London.
Yeah, this is 10 pips, I think.
Use the shift key and do like...
Wait, maybe the calculator. Let's put it exactly at that. Yeah, that's 10 pips. Damn. Hey, look, wondering, do you know if there's an additional job loss claim news for USD today? Will be volatile. Maybe, yeah. Maybe that's why we're gonna maybe start ranging, because of these two things. So, let's see. Let's see, it's just waiting game right now. Hopefully price is gonna do something. Coming back towards that support level now. What Najim said, maybe we're gonna be, you know, retesting this low, the bearish 1 hour candle. Let's see. Right now I haven't taken a trade yet. Because not the exact situations came into play. Anyone has a chart, send it in. Yeah, I'm not really looking for sells on gold. If you wanted that 1 hour go back towards this level, you should have already been in.
Yeah, no, there's no sells on gold for this session. Only sells are gonna come in maybe in New York. If this 4 hour closes bearish, then you'll see some form of sells to potentially continue the bearish momentum from last night. But during this session, there's no way there's going to be any sells.
Yeah, the only way you're going to be seeing sells if we're going to now start breaking down and start breaking 1892.11.
1890. Yeah, exactly. But knowing London session and how London behaves with gold, it's not going to break down. Yeah. So if sells come into play, it's going to happen towards New York.
Yeah. Especially in the pre...
In what?
In pre, you know it.
Pre New York?
Pre London.
Oh, yeah. You know, low volume on gold.
Jeez. Yeah, guys, if you have any chart, just send them in. Your new number earnings. Is it like non-copyright or is it copyright?
Maybe type it in the chat. He didn't hear it.
Yeah.
All right, let's see.
Copy. Right. New normal earnings. There we go. No, you see some disrespect on gold right now. Price is filling that 1 hour wick. Now, for me, if you look at a 30-minute time frame, it's just ranging right now. So I'm going to be looking for buys above that resistance level for anything going to happen. Now we could start ranging for the rest of the session, but hopefully not. It makes sense for price to fill that 1 hour wick, what Najim said, but I don't know if it's going to fill it all the way though, because of this 30-minute support right here. Are my chart links coming through, bro? I was sent a couple of times right now. You don't send the entire link. Only send if you go here to the icon and you go to the right. Only send in this part because the entire link can't be seen by us. YouTube removes it. Yes, images are used or Reality free. Oh man, thank you, man.
That's dope.
That's dope, man. We need to start choosing on which one is it gonna be.
Yeah, maybe on Instagram do a little poll, either or.
Yeah. New normal earnings. Send me an email if you want me to do any shout out or whatever to the graphic design thing. Because this is insane, bro. How you did this. Pretty sick. You killed it. Absolutely killed it. Today we were all away. Black Coffee is you know, going ham on that beat. Let me see if I can change it right now. I might see if I can change it right now and then see if how it looks like and get your guys' opinions on the actual one. Then download it. Perfect. Oh, that's not right. Do this for a second, guys. Oh, did it again. Jesus. Put this in right here. Save as, and yes, let's see. Okay, now we're gonna change the edit. Yeah, price really needs to break above that 1902 95 level for us to be looking for buys. Branding change. Oh man, this is on point, man. Shit, this is on point. Okay, guys, look at the banner now. It's updating now, so it should be updated. I think. Oh damn! Let's take a look. This is the first banner. The first banner. Oh man. Oh shit. Oh shit. Look at that, guys.
Damn.
Look at the banner, guys. Damn.
Crazy.
Man made it on flipping point. I didn't even have to ask something. He just said, "I'm gonna make you something," and I didn't even ask for something. Just this guy just killed it. He just absolutely killed it. Sick. And we're gonna look at the other one in a second. So I'll update it to the other one in a second, and then I'm gonna do a poll on which one we're gonna take.
People asking URL, just click his title.
Yeah. Just if you go to the YouTube channel itself, it's right there. Come on, guys. Oh man, that's fire. And the good part is in the phone, it exactly you can't really see it, but on the phone it really prints very well right here. So you see the entire part. Like it's on point. Like you can't get it any better than that.
Oh wow, on the phone it looks so pretty.
Yeah, man. Damn.
Crazy.
Entire color shift went from red, white, and black to blue, silver, and black. And they're all gray. Point
yeah,
and white.
Pretty dope.
Yeah, man. 5 minute might be creating a support above this level. Now, I don't know if I'm a fan on buying this because the 30 minute is still pushing bearish. 15 is pushing bearish. 1 hour is bearish. So 15 also broke the previous low. So if you're range trading, you could go back up to this side, but it looks like it's some sort of, ranging already. So really gotta be careful. Can I take a trade? No, you can't. Well, you can, but it's not gonna be any confirmations. Thank you, Daniel. Thank you. Man, dope. Thank you, Wendy. This is dope.
Yeah, if you somehow can make the bear, give it like a tint of red, holy.
Hint of red, the bear.
Yeah, on the bear, like instead of having a blue, like a little bear red tint.
Okay.
Sheesh.
Yeah,
That would add like
Let
a
me
lot of
let me see the other one now. Let's see what the other one will look like. Sorry, guys. There's gonna be something on the screen for a second. In a couple seconds, download. Let's see how the other one looks like. There we go. There. Save as. And then this is gonna be option 2. I think this one is gonna be pretty cool as well. Crash this right. Oh man, but this one is insane. I like this one a lot, to be honest with you. So, let's see, customization, change. There's no trade right now, so don't worry. Option 2. Let's see. Okay, so this is option 2. It's updating right now. So, yeah, okay, this is option 2, guys. It takes the color on the phone of the bull because the arrow is up there. But it looks pretty sick as well, to be honest.
Yeah, they'll look really good.
Both look pretty good. I do think the other one is a little bit better because the colors are looking better with the logo itself.
Yeah, true. I think I like the other one more. It's a little bit more simplistic. And if you add, like, look at the bear here, it has that like
Red.
red.
Yeah, red.
Yeah,
red.
I think if you add that to the first one, holy, that would just be so nice.
They're insane. Absolutely insane.
Wait, let's see it on the desktop, how that looks. Yeah, that's really dope. I definitely like the first one a little better, I think.
What do you guys think about the second one? Let me know. Not clear view. Yeah, the other one is better. Option 1 is more pro. Okay, let's do option 1 then. I will still make a poll on YouTube on Instagram. So that's where you really have to be.
Yeah.
In 1, there we go. Yeah, the option 1 is a little bit clearer. It's a little bit. How do you call it? A little bit more professional.
Yeah, more minimalistic as well.
Minimalistic, yeah, that's a good word. Insane. Absolutely insane. Okay, there's a couple guys saying 2, a couple guys saying 1. I'll just make a group poll and then see which one is gonna win. The 5-minute just closed bullish, but we're still inside this range. As you can see, we're respecting the low still, but we're also respecting the highs. So what happens when we're respecting lows and the highs? We're ranging, right? Now, taking a trade inside this range is, I don't know if that's the best thing to do, because the reason why I wouldn't want to really be in a trade right now is because we only have 5 minutes left for this 15-minute to start flipping, and for this 30-minute to, start pushing up. And then the moment previous 1 hour closed bearish, current 30-minute closing bearish, but still respecting the lows though, so that's good. But man, this is an upgrade today, man. There's some background noise from someone else.
Yeah, sorry, that was me.
Oh, no problem, man. What do you think
Where
about
are you-
What do you think
where
about
are
the
you
background?
posting these, where are you posting these logos?
YouTube. Go to my YouTube, man.
YouTube
Oh,
channel.
okay.
Are you not even subscribed yet?
Oh, pressure.
He's weak.
Oh, I thought you were doing it on Instagram for some reason.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that soon, and then post the 2 logos and see which one gets the most votes.
I just don't know how to see the poll.
Oh, I don't have the poll yet. You need to go to the YouTube now because I already updated it, so you can see one of them now.
Oh yeah, you could.
Oh, wait,
do
I
the poll
could
on
show them
YouTube
right
as well.
here. But these ones are the 2.
Yeah, I agree with Master. If you could make the bears red, that would be perfect.
That would add like that character to it.
Yeah, true.
But it does. They're really nice. They do look really good.
It's very sick. Very sick. Oh yeah,
It's
it's the
not
page
really-
itself. It's not like this thing itself. This is gonna stay forever like this. I'm not gonna have any weird stuff on it. Just want to have it clean, clear, and no like things running. Maybe some small things, but I'm not gonna have like a full-on thing around there or something. Please mention the chart you're showing. It's not clear. Right here on the top, gold US dollar, right on the top. This is the reason why I'm being careful inside this range. Price broke the high, but still going down. Now there's people that are getting caught up in these buys because all time frames are currently going bearish, except for the 4-hour, but it's flipping. So that's the reason why I'm being very careful with these buys. Let's take a look at some other pairs. GJ. Oh, GJ is pushing up. GJ is pushing up. Broke outside once it started breaking the highs. Now, again, this is an entire no trade range for me and GJ, so I'm not going to be looking to trade GJ inside here. Based on, see, a Euro USD pushing up as well. What I said got called out in the stream. If you start breaking above these 2 wicks right here, there's going to be potential buys. If you rewind the stream, got called out. So if you're in this trade, very nice, very nice. You should be good. Maybe it comes down to retest, and then you should continue moving up towards the 194 or towards 390, around that. Last time we looked, these 2 wicks were important. This level to the left got called out. If this started breaking the previous highs, then you should have been all Gucci. GU is pushing up a little bit as well. Still a lot of range to the left, so I think preferably you want to be closing above that 286 level. Try and mirror the move all the way up towards the 540, 542 inside this range.
4-hour sort of support and resistance is 380. If you look at it. On the
Oh yeah,
4-hour.
okay, this level right here.
Yeah, so we might come
Ooh.
into this zone and sort of reject.
Yeah, might retest the low after that.
Before going down. Yeah,
might just tap this zone and then create a resistance on the 4-hour and the next 4-hour and then come down. That's a possibility as well.
I know Nick got into trade, but I was just waiting for a breakout.
Yeah, makes sense. How's your leg going, man? How's your leg going?
Yeah, it's pretty good, mate. Yesterday I done a leg session, so today I can't walk. Tomorrow is gonna be even worse. I actually dropped yesterday after one of the exercises, like dropped on the floor, man, because my legs couldn't, keep it up.
Damn.
Look, quick question for you, buddy.
Yeah, man.
You see on the GJ, how would you have entered that trade?
No. No, otherwise I would have been in it, man.
Alright, cool.
It's
GG is just an attack.
You don't. Yeah, for me, this entire zone, where you see all the markups, this entire zone is just an entire no trade range for me. Maybe above like that 440, I would maybe take buys towards 660.
Okay.
But this range definitely is nothing for me. Nothing. No trade range. Entire no trade range. Don't want to be in there. Can you take a look?
Thanks for that, buddy.
Oh, no problem, man.
I'm gonna go get myself some breakfast. Come back in
I get some pizza.
no. Gonna get maybe a croissant.
Oh, nice. Oh, I guess it's about to slap you again, man.
Well, I had another good trade, so I can.
Yeah,
I
but
can
that's.
I'll allow you that.
Okay.
as long as trading's going well, right?
And then you're trading well and getting fat.
Yeah, if you see me fat as fuck, you know why. Nah,
Man's
just
rich. Oh, that's the strategy. So every time you win, you can eat something. Well, that's why all these rich people are. Most of them are fat.
Yeah.
That's the strategy. I see it. Hey, could you review the entry, please? Yeah, let me take a look, man. Let me take a look. Yeah, this is why I wasn't really keen on this 5-minute closing bullish. I was looking for buys, but because of this range and because of the 15, 30-minute, 1 hour closing bearish, and then also this 4 hour at flipping point, was a bit of a delicate situation. Now, maybe we're gonna be looking for a stronger support for him to still close above that level. I don't know when that's gonna happen. Let's take a look at this chart first. See if there's anything we can prove. But yeah, this is a very good setup. It's good. 43 pips. I think this was a very good option, man. Very nice option when it broke the high. We said that too. Once it started breaking the high, man's never been in shutdown. Very good. Very good, man. I like it. Very nice. Now the volume is pushing us down a little bit, also in some sort of consolidation.
Look, have you seen gold?
What?
Have a look at gold.
I'm at gold right now.
Are you in?
No. I'm looking at gold right now, but I'm not in. No.
I'm going to be on my screen. Sorry about that.
I'm not in anything.
Screen. All right, my bad.
We're coming up to this support zone right now. But yeah. Let's see.
Hey, morning, Luke.
Yo, good morning, man. How are you?
I'm good. Just enjoying the stream.
Perfect.
I sent a link of a chart. Could you check if the trading zones are good?
Good, man.
On
Let me
Zoom.
take a look. Perfect. I'll take a look, man.
Thanks.
Whoa. This is GJ 200 trading zone. 200
Basically,
to
I
like
just
380.
marked the wicks from the higher time frames, and it automatically shows them on the lower time frames. That's what I'm targeting, the previous
Okay.
wicks. They're
Yeah,
like
those
20 pips.
the only problem with GJ right now is that there's so much consolidation, there's so much ranging, and I don't know if you want to be in there. Like if you look at this, right, you see the 15-minute candle time frame right here where you have your thing marked up. If I start annotating for a second, you see, right, where's the normal thing? I think this is an arrow, there's 2 arrow ways.
Yeah.
If you start buying above this level, right? Why is it double arrow? Oh my god. Well, let's say it's only arrow this way. So let's say you start buying above this area, right? Expecting price to go up. Like not even 5 pips away, you got this problem right here. Right?
Yeah.
10 pips away, you got this problem right here. And just over 10 pips, you got this problem right here. So do you think if you're going to be taking that move, do you think it's going to be clean?
Nah, definitely not clean.
So also in the 30-minute.
Oh, yeah, it's not clean on the 15 and the 30, but on the 1 hour, it's kind of clean.
Yeah, but on the 1 hour, it's going to be a way longer move than you're probably expecting.
Yeah.
And if you also look here on the daily time frame, look at this.
Oh, yes. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, I see that now.
This is a zone right here. Taps, rejection. Yeah, you could fill this daily wick. This is a pretty good target for you because that's your target right now. That daily wick, you're looking to fill that daily wick. That's pretty good. Price rejected the bottom. It's respecting this support level. Now you could start looking for buys based on the 1 hour time frame, but at that moment, you don't take all this bullshit into consideration because you're going to be taking a trade on the 1 hour time frame, and the only thing you have to keep in mind is that price is not going to probably move the way you want it to move, but you know, there is, if you really want to take it, if you really are confident that price is going to fill this daily wick, then you're able to take it. But be careful because there's a lot of zones right here. I don't know exactly where this zone is at. Yeah, it's just the zone here is just above the level you want to buy it, so there could be rejection, but at the end of the day, the daily rejected the bottom. There is a chance to fill the daily wick. The only thing is how fast and when it's going to do it, because I don't know what time frame you normally trade on. Like, what time frame do you normally take trades
the
on?
New York session. New York session.
Okay, so I would, if you already trade New York, I wouldn't be trading. I would just be looking, or just slowly looking at London, and not be taking any trades, because if you don't take any trades in London, you're not experienced enough to be taking trades like that, because you don't know how the market moves in certain situations if you just trade New York. Like, I don't know. Do you watch London session?
When my days off, like today, I have a day off, then I watch London session. But usually I'm always home in the New York session. That's the afternoon for me.
Okay, yeah. Then I suggest you, if you have the day off, once you start gaining experience and you start looking at the day you're always looking at London, then you can maybe take one trade. But if you just started watching it, then I suggest you to keep on watching it, but make sure that you don't stay on the charts for too long. But but if you just want to watch it, that's okay. It's okay for you to watch it, but make sure that you don't start over trading on it, or just, if you want to take a trade, make sure it's on a lower risk. You know.
Yeah, definitely. That's good advice. Thanks a lot, man.
Yeah, perfect. No problem, man. No problem. My own company right now. All assets on the banners are reality free. Once you give your final comments, I'll give you the original artworks with the disclaimer. Oh man, you're savage, man. You're on point. You're savage. I do this for a living, so don't worry about anything. No, but I gotta do something back for you too, man. If you do this for a living, you gotta show me where you provide these for people, so I can shout that out for you. So people in the chat can go there as well if they need any logos or whatever, banners.
I would need something like that for me too. Which
We got new normal earnings in the chat.
is in the Gulag chat?
Yep.
Okay. Did he send any link to contact him or something?
I'll send, if I'm allowed, I'll send you his email on private.
All right.
And then that's good. You can email in blue eyes. Let's take a look. Would you have started closing and managing risk, or stick to your guns? Let's take a look, man. Let's take a look at this chart. Gold's respecting the support level right now that we have marked up. I think, yeah, it's respecting it pretty good. Levels on a freaking point again today, man. Sheesh. Yeah, I would have started managing risk, because first of all, you're in at the top. This is not a ideal situation to be in, my friend. I think, okay, there's no things added to this chart, so next time add some extra things to the chart. But where your entry should have been, and what we also explained on the stream, this should have been your entry right here. Now, at that point, you should have started managing risk or taking something off the table, because the 15-minute right here started closing without a top wick. So what happens when price closes without a top wick? There's no range created for the next candle to start moving up. So the problem in this trade is that you first of all took the trade from the top. You should have been in right here. You missed the entry. And second of all, you didn't manage risk based on this candle closing without a top wick. If I saw this happening, right, and I would have been in the same situation as you were, I would have closed immediately when I saw this candle closing without a top wick, because it's an issue. It's really an issue. 15-minute candle closing without a top wick is pretty dangerous right here. So yeah, and I think this also. Let me take a look. What? This is also another time frame. I think this might be the 30-minute also closing. Yeah, the 30-minute basically also. Yeah, it has a top wick on the 30, and on the 15 on my 15s. But at the end of the day, I don't know. It's retesting this zone right now, so that's pretty good. I think if you want to re-enter this trade, you might wait for a 15 to start closing above after this 15 closed bearish or breaks the highs. But at the end of the day, you took it on the top. So yeah. Take a look on gold. Yeah, gold's really rejecting that zone right now, and that's pretty good. Pretty good. Look on the 5-minute what it did. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. We're looking for price to start coming bullish up now again and start closing above that 1903 level. So as well, my preference on the banner is option 1, as I feel the banners can do with some color. Yeah, I think what would be cool, new and normal earnings, if like the bears are a little bit red, like a little bit red. It's also what Master P said. So like a red bear, and then the rest all blue, and then the bears a little bit red. See how that look like.
Hey Luke, how you doing?
Yeah, pretty good, man. What about you?
Oh, I don't know, normal, bro. I just have a question.
Yeah, sure.
Because of the zone on gold, the 1903 level you marked up.
Yeah.
How you find out this level there? Is it based on the 30-minute?
On the 1 hour time frame. Look on the 1 hour. You see this top right here? You see rejection right here?
I see.
So that's why I'm looking to get a candle close inside this zone. This is practically a different zone on the zone we're in right now. So you see pretty much 3 zones, you know. You see we have this zone right here.
Yeah.
It's around 54 pips. Then we have this zone to the bottom right here. That's around 53 pips. And then we also have this zone right here. But we currently are being in 3 zones, and my trading zone is going to be this 54 pip zone right here.
Okay, so you would like to see a 30-minute or 1 hour close above your level?
Depends. 15 is already good enough. Depends on how tall the 15-minute is though. If it's a very tall 15-minute, I would wait for a price to retrace. If it's a very good 15-minute, I'll wait for price to break the high and then continue moving up. I prefer price to break the previous 1 hour high at 1903.75.
Okay.
Now I am looking out for this level here to the left, because this is this could be pretty dangerous right here.
Yeah.
But I'm expecting price to push through and start filling the 4 hour level right here to the top. So if you look on the 4 hour, if we go to the 4 hour for a second, also we have this is also a range here to the top. This is also we pretty much have 4 ranges. But go to the 4 hour, I'm looking for price to retest this high, and after that even fill this wick here to the top.
Okay.
That's if you can, as you can see on the 4 hour time frame, we did pull back, but we still have at least 1 hour to go. So that could happen a lot in 1 hour. What I said yesterday as well, in 5 minutes, an entire move on the 4 hour happened. But as you can see on the what happened on the 4 hours, we're in consolidation right here, right? Started breaking out, creating a new high, came back down, started creating a support above the previous consolidation zone. Now, what's the probability we're coming back all the way up to this zone? Now, we're rejecting from these wicks for a second, but we could be pulling back right now to create some sort of volume inside the consolidation zone to continue moving up towards the top and retest the high.
Okay, I see. Thank you.
But there's also a chance that we could reject it, and if we start rejecting it, sells would start coming into play below that 1892 flat level, 1892, and then you could start selling down towards that 1887, or even towards the lows of these consolidation areas.
Okay. Thank you for explaining.
Perfect, man. No problem. My gold idea, London stock market open. Let's take a look. I can press it. Okay, yeah, makes sense. Retested the low. Yeah, it makes a lot of sense. Makes a lot of sense. Because this 4 hour is pretty much coming up towards this 4 hour support level. Crypto miner, thank you, man. Thank you. Yeah, I think soon buyers are gonna get into play as well. So buyers are gonna still get into play 100%. What would be an ideal situation for maybe a New York session, if this doesn't play out in London, is break of that 4-hour high towards the top, and then retest 1908 and 1912. None says diamond. Hello, man. So that would be an ideal situation.
Luke, are you buying above this 15?
50-minute candle on gold.
Yeah, this one.
No. The reason why is because this zone is pretty strong. I don't want to be in this area anymore, because if you look on a 30-minute time frame, what does it look like? Consolidation, right?
Yeah,
so,
sure.
So there's no way I'm getting into that.
I'm just questioning your thought process. That's it.
Yeah, no problem. No problem. Just, I want to be careful with this zone, right? Be careful. You also look at the 1 hour candle. 1 hours are still bearish. This one closed bearish. This one did fill the wick, also broke the low. Now this one is rejecting from the 4-hour support level, but still this zone, is it going to be a clean move through the zone? Probably not. So yeah, maybe on the 15 it looks clean, right? If the 15 starts breaking the previous high, you got like a 15-20 pip range up. But I would rather, for safer buys, would look above that 1 hour level at 1902.90. So let's say 1903 flat. I think that's gonna be the better situation. Yeah, 100% taking buys inside this zone could work out 100%. But I just don't know if I want to be inside the same zone, because it's still, at the end of the day, the highs are being respected, and the lows are being disrespected right now. But when are you going to be looking to trade gold, Augustus?
Don't know. I did the back test, to be honest, today, and I had the paper trade, which was a good profit.
Very
25
nice.
pips. 25 pips of paper trade.
Very nice. Yeah, I like gold. I like gold a lot.
Yeah. With the GU today, I mean, when Nick was saying that he's got the sell stop, I was like, yeah, it makes sense for me to sort of look at that as well.
Okay.
But we were sort of selling into strong support, 1.41.
We go to GU for a second.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, man.
1.41 flat.
Yeah, that's an hourly. Yeah. That's an hourly support.
Oh, yeah.
So
I see,
selling
right here,
into that. Yeah, it's a strong zone selling into that for me, potentially. I honestly wanted to even just get out of this range as well.
Yeah, it seems like a lot of GBP pairs are ranging right now.
I mean, GU moves cleaner.
Yeah,
that's
100%.
for sure,
Yeah.
Than GJ, but yeah, there's no directional bias or sentiment for pound.
Yeah.
At the moment, so
makes sense.
well, we'll see.
Yeah, man. Perfect.
And gold, you wanna take buys above the hourly resistance?
Yeah, hourly resistance or hourly high, because it only has 9 minutes left for this hour to close, right? And this hour is closing bearish. So, but what you could see on the 1 hour time frame is maybe a break, right, and a retest. But this could be retesting as well for price to continue moving further up later on. But this is a strong zone, as you can see, because the 1 hour is rejecting from that zone. So, for me personally, what I want to see is really close above that 1903 level for me to go further up. Now, you could be saying, okay, yeah, but there's nasty levels here to the left. I'm expecting those to break, but because we're coming into the new zone, if you look on the 4 hour, we should continue moving up towards at least 1908 pretty cleanly.
Yeah, but obviously, but that zone that you got marked, 1903, it's a strong level on all time frames.
Yep. So that's why I want to be very careful with that level. I don't really want to play cowboy with that. Now,
Yeah,
the,
because
oh yeah, go ahead.
sorry.
No, go ahead. Go
No,
ahead.
no. I was looking at the 4 hour. The gold like closed without barely a top wick, like a
Yeah.
tiny one.
Yeah, tiny one.
So.
Yeah, it's still good. It's good enough. It's like not like this one right here, right? This is like really no wick. This is really no wick. So
have a look on GU, man. Have a look on GU.
Ooh.
And look at an hour. Look at the hourly rejection.
Yeah, but here you see it no wick, so broke the highs though, but
yeah, GJ's got the same rejection.
Yeah, so we might potentially see downside from here. As I said, 380 level. It was 4 hour resistance. It was 1.5 pip away from it. So on GU, all that zone. So I think that's a potential turnover from here, maybe.
Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. Yeah,
But
because
I'm
then it's
not
pretty much faking
speculating.
out. It's pretty much faking out. Euro USD is also coming back down from the buying zone. If you took these buys, you should have been out at break even, because it's rejecting right now.
Yeah, I might look for maybe sells to fill the wick on hourly.
And that's gonna be on GU, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Maybe wants to start flipping or something. Or...
I'll wait for this hourly close.
Oh, okay, yeah. Makes sense. Makes sense. Back to gold. Yeah. You see, that's what I mean. Because
I'm paying attention. Yeah.
It broke the high and came back down straight away. So I'm not playing with this zone. There's no way I'm playing with that. This is gonna throw you around like in a cage, like with an MMA fighter. It's like bang, getting smacked every time. Could you take a look at EN? Yeah, sure.
I've been looking at EN over the past couple of days. It's nice. I like it.
Yeah.
It looks pretty good. It's on the move. On the move.
I've not took any trades on it. But
Look at this drop though.
That was news.
Yeah, was it news?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's a drop.
But if you look at the NZD pairs or AUD pairs, when they have news, they have massive pumps or dumps, like massive.
Yes.
Yeah. Like I paid attention at AUD or NZD pairs. They have like. Fuck.
Yeah, it's pretty much in this small range right now. On the 15-minute time frame, also on the 30-minute, and the 1 hour, it's in this range. I think what buys is okay. There's one issue though. Look at the weekly. Oh my god, look at this support right here.
Oh yeah, that's a
full on rejection zone. So on the daily, you're coming up to you still could come down towards that 1.66361. But if you look on the 4 hour, yeah, it did break the low already. I think if you really want to force sells, you could sell below that support area towards 1.66989. But is that going to be clean? I don't know about that. And weekly wise, look at this level, man. Look at this level. You're coming up to this level. So what could happen at this level? Rejection. And this is a very strong zone where you're coming up to. You also look left, you see a lot of taps and supports on this level and rejections on this level, so you got to be very careful. Personally, because we're at this level, I would maybe start looking for buys above that 1.67319 level, and towards 1.67566. Enough range for you. It's like 30 something pips for you to trade in, and then not even 25 pips. I mean, I read it the wrong way. Yeah, it's 300, not 200. So it's like 25 pips for you to trade in, and you pretty much clean traffic back up to the top of this current range right here. But that weekly support, I don't know if you want to play games with that. That's like playing with fire. A gold is, if you want to take like a short-term trade on gold, You could maybe wait for this 15-minute candle to close. But at the end of the day, you do gotta remind yourself, if you gonna look on the 30-minute time frame, what is happening right now. Now you see candles printing side to side in barcodes, and that means that we're ranging. So how do you think the move is gonna be going up? Probably not that well. But if you really want to force the trade, you only have like a 10 pip stop. There's 100% possibilities to do this trade. 100%. Like, I wouldn't say it's no trade range fully, but at the end of the day, you got to see like, okay, let's say this 15 starts closing at 1920 flat. You only have 13 pips up here, 17 pips up here, and yeah, to the top of the range, you got 35. But who says you're gonna, you know, go up to this level or this level? Stop loss wise, you got around like 8 to 10 pips.
I do, because I'm in.
Okay. Nice. From where? Otherwise, people are going to be jumping in right now.
Break at a 15. Like, don't get in now.
Okay, and next time send in a chart, because if you're going to say I'm in, people are going to press straight away.
No, but it's too late. It's too late. I mean, don't get in.
Yeah, okay.
It was leveraging profits. It's all it is.
Yeah.
I mean,
makes sense. But if you say I'm in, people don't know that you're already in from the 15-minute. So just next time say, okay, from the 15-minute break of the high, I got in. That's already too late. But
I mean, I'm breaking my rules, but in a way, I'm still like.
Don't do that, man.
Yeah, but I'm leveraging profits, so I mean, even if I lose this, I'm still in profits for the day. So.
Perfect.
What trade is this? How many trades have you taken?
I've traded.
About 3, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's good. 2 winners.
I had that we're about to get into an exhaustion phase before starting to put gold. Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, that's good.
Yes.
And this one, I'm aiming the top of the wick fill on the 1 hour.
Okay.
It's like I'm not even closing anything. Like it's just like I'm.
Do you remind yourself that the 1 hour is closing bearish?
Yeah, but I'm waiting for. I think I'll do a bottom wick and after finish bearish.
Okay, yeah, makes sense. So you're waiting for that 30-minute high to be broken, the current 30-minute high that's not closed yet in the new open.
I mean, this is like long term, so yeah, I still have stops like 15 pips, so way below, and it's like a long term kind of idea.
You do gotta be careful, man. You gotta be careful.
Yeah.
You're trading inside a full consolidation area. Remind yourself of that.
Yeah, but it's more like a entry under 1 hour.
You know, look, in my opinion, I would just say he took his execution on what he's seen it.
100%. Yeah.
That's
100%.
fair enough.
Yep.
I mean, that's all it needs. Like he's got his own sort of
style,
point of view. Yeah, point of view. I would say on this trade, and if it works out, it works out. If it doesn't, it is what it is. You know, that's
100%.
it. That's all.
It is what it is.
30-minute close doji.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Where's your stops, Frank?
My stops are wait, I can not 1897.72.
Okay, so below 30-minute low.
Below, so yeah, not exactly below 30-minute low, but it's a bit higher up. Like I'm not I don't want it to go all the way back down to that 30 minutes.
Oh, you said 98.72.
No, 97.72. Yeah, sorry. So yeah, it is about that 30-minute low.
Yeah, it's that 30-minute low. Yeah.
Look at this chart. Next time, add some extra value on those lines. Why are these lines here? You know, I see this level right here, but yeah, looking for the same thing. Just looking a little bit higher to buy, like 1903. But yeah, 100% range up to there is pretty good. Range down, I wouldn't really want to take sells, but if this breaks, structure breaks, and then you should be good towards 93.030. Looks pretty good, man. And yeah, most important thing on this chart is
never
this
give
right
up.
here. Never give up.
Yeah, boy.
Bubba boy. Wait, what's your entry, Frank?
My entry is 917.
Okay, yeah. Oh, that's not bad. It's like at the support level.
Yeah. I mean, on my MetaTrader, it's break of the 15 minutes.
Oh, 1 second.
A bit higher up, but...
Okay. And now you're expecting price to break this previous 30-minute candle high.
Now I'm expected to fly. Now I'm moving my stops below the 30 minutes. Because now it did the bottom wick and I don't want it to be breaking at the bottom wick.
Yeah, I think it's gonna fly.
And now I'm expecting at least a wick fill, I would say 1902.
Yeah.
Like, I'll be cautious.
As long as it holds the low,
yeah,
should be good.
Yeah, this zone needs to be respected.
Yeah, 100%.
But that's good if you have your stops now just below the zone at like 18.99, 30. Only 10 pip stops now.
Yeah, like 8.5 pips. But I don't want to choke it, that's the only thing. Because now I just want this 15 to like close bullish nicely.
The only reason I was against this is because people are gonna like the new people in the YouTube, they're gonna be like, oh, we can trade inside consolidation. Like, you have a little bit more experience than most people, so for you it's something that you see happen over and over again. But some people are gonna take this blindly, right?
Oh, it's some risky business for sure.
Yeah. So that's the only reason why I said that, so people don't start copying that to trade inside ranges. But you've seen it happen before, so you know what you're doing, right? So
I mean, this 5 minute has to close above 1900.
Yeah, otherwise it's respecting that level right here.
That resistance, 5 minute resistance. Otherwise,
I'm not even looking at the 5 minutes. Angola can be a bit tricky. I'm like really focusing on this 15, but of course I'll probably cut it if it starts really now going south.
Yeah, makes sense. Guys, don't forget to like the stream. We're not even on 300 likes yet, and we have like nearly 470 people in we had. So come on, guys, like the stream. You know the vibe.
Look,
EU on his move.
No trades today. No trades today. Could have taken
Do you have a
those.
chance to take a look? EU?
EU. Yeah, sure, man.
EU. Yeah, because like a couple minutes ago, somebody sent a picture.
Oh yeah, that makes sense to go up.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, I already said buying above this level could have made sense. Price still respected the low, so if you were still in there, you could have held it or maybe stayed in with 50%. Someone has a lot of noise in the mic.
There's me as the chair.
So, especially once you start breaking a high again right here, you should continue moving up towards that 1.22 level.
Exactly.
So, I mean,
and if you take a look in the 4-hour charts, sorry, it's also totally makes sense to go all the way high.
That's why I called out these buys before already in the beginning of the stream on EU.
Yeah, man.
This makes a lot of sense to continue moving up. Trend is there. Price is respecting the previous higher lows. You know, just created a new higher low. Now you can target even the top of this range as a sort of a swing trade.
Yeah, man.
Perfect. Do you take any trade yet? Not yet. Ooh, man's dropping positions.
Look, when you go to the gym, bro.
What do you say?
When you go into the gym.
When?
Yeah.
I still need to sign in, man.
Yeah. How much?
We just opened, like it just opened here. Like 45 a month.
Oh, that's reasonable.
45 euros a month, so that's okay.
Yeah, that's reasonable.
I think there's one that's around 34. But that's it's all Gucci. Like there's one where you can go for 24 hours as well. So midnight you can just walk in.
Oh yeah, I'm going to that one to 24 hours. It's called Pure Gym.
Oh, okay.
Here in UK. Yeah, it's 24 hours, man. It's cheap as well.
How much you pay?
20, I think so. Yeah, 20 a month.
Man's only paying 20p's.
Yeah,
You
bro.
definitely put some off that price, didn't you?
I mean, you have to pay extra 24 sign-up fee, but apart from that, man, that's cheap as hell.
Yeah, for the cheap one here, you need to pay like 34, also for a key.
What do you mean for a key? Like a
Get in.
padlock?
Yeah, to get into the door. Yeah, man. No, like into the gym itself. If you want to go to the gym at midnight.
Okay.
Yeah.
I see. Bro, you need to sign up. At least do some gym work 3 times a week.
Yeah, we'll do. Only I'm looking out because the thing is, if I sign up right now, I'm stuck with it for a year. And if they close like 6-7 months again,
Wait, it has to be a yearly contract?
Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, monthly
cool.
is like twice as expensive, man.
Oh, that is BS, bro.
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah. That's why I'm like, man.
Oh, that is ridiculous, man.
Yeah, Pure Gym's great. Sorry, Pure Gym's great.
Yeah.
You can cancel whenever you want. It's dirt cheap.
Absolutely.
Really good.
I've never heard of that. It's only in the UK based, or?
Well, I think so, yeah. But mate, they got places everywhere, and I mean everywhere.
Yeah, and you can pay for like a membership where it's like £5 more than the normal one. And you can basically go in any Pure Gym all across the country.
Yeah, I think they got over 200 gyms or something like that.
Yeah, they're everywhere. They are good.
Yeah, but I didn't pay that extra $5 because I got no need, to go to other gyms.
Oh yeah, same. My gym's so close, I wouldn't even.
Mario is like, oh, in life you need to take risk. Yeah, man. I did it last time already. Like last year, I got my gym thing. Yeah, everything ready. Man went to the gym 3 months. Man was bulking, and then and then I was there like four times a week, and I did some boxing next to it as well. Before that, I did like 3+ years of kickboxing, but then I did it to the side a little bit as well, and then. Fucking 3 months later, I got this year contract, right? Bang, everything down. Can't go to the gyms anymore. I was so bummed about that. I was just getting back in that fit zone, and out again.
Mate, it's just unbelievable feeling up. Definitely. Like, but if they close, I think you still should be okay, right? Because you don't have to pay, do you?
Yeah. He did give us the owner of that gym said like, okay, 1 month you don't have to pay, but the other months
what?
Like he put like on the other months he put like 25% off of the price that we used to pay, but still
that's during the lockdown.
Yeah.
Oh my days, man.
Yeah.
Here in UK they like literally cancelled like your payments.
Yeah.
Pure Gym handled it really well.
Pure Gym.
Yeah.
What did they do?
Well, they just stopped out. Like they didn't charge anyone, which I think is the right thing to do.
All of the gyms that did that. All of the gyms.
Oh, is it? I
Yeah.
don't even know.
Yeah.
Consolidation on a 5-minute.
Frank, did you get out?
I think he did.
Frankie,
he broke the previous 50-minute low.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
And that's where you trailed his stop loss towards. So.
I mean, it makes sense to get out at this point.
Yeah, 100%. Because you see the consolidation prices respecting current highs in the 5-minute time frames, closing also below that 1900 level, what you said before.
Yeah. I mean, if it's breaking the 15-minute low, it's got the potential to fill the 30-minute wick.
Yeah, 100%. You see that 1 hour wick as well, right? Look at the 1 hour.
Yeah, but is that if you look on a 5, is that honestly like a tight consolidation between?
I don't want to be in this zone. That's the thing. I'm not trying to trade in this zone. This is the zone I don't want to be in, right? I want to be or in this zone that's giving me enough pips, like 50 pips, or in this zone that's giving me more than 50 pips. Yes, this is a 50 pip range right here, but I don't know about that.
Yeah, I get out.
Yeah,
it is what it is.
No, no worries, man. As
No
long
worries.
as you know you managed, you risked.
Yeah, and you
the money
leveraged your profit, so you didn't lose anything at the end of the day. So
I lost profits, but
all
that's
profits
good
or
enough.
some profits.
No, some profits.
Oh, okay, I was about to say. New normal earnings. I think what would be cool is maybe put the bears in a little bit of a red shade. So you got the blue bulls and the red bears on the first one, on the first option.
And like it's needy, you know.
What do you say?
I said you're needy, boy.
What do you mean?
In terms of your banner, but it looks nice though.
It looks sick, isn't it? Trust.
Yeah, with your the badge that you
Yeah,
have.
man. The
It's
coin.
amazing.
It should be a new coin.
Get lost.
Dan Strop, remember that you guys talked about the president and YouTube got triggered. We
Yeah.
remember that.
Yeah, that wasn't mad, to be honest.
That was that was a tricky situation. Yeah, I don't know about this. Gold is just ranging. It might be ranging for the news. So once the news starts coming in New York session, then probably trades are gonna come back in. But right now, all pairs. EU, it was on the move. It's not on the move again. So it did break the high, but it's back down. So the movement is pretty slowly. GJ is still at the same level, not doing shit.
I think, Luke, I agree with you. I think New York is gonna have the whole move for everything, and I think GJ needs to get out of this range ASAP.
Yeah, makes sense. Yeah, new normal earnings. They didn't do it in my gym. They were like, "You're gonna pay."
Ridiculous, that, to be honest.
GA. What about GA? That made a huge rejection candle right there. But there is some clean range down towards here. Like not fully clean, but there's some clean range. I think yeah, it might feel this 1 hour wick, but still maybe respect this support area. Because this is a 4 hour support area at the end of the day as well, so.
Might call it a day, you know.
Yeah, I'm thinking about that too. I think that we waited for the confirmations we wanted to wait on, didn't see them. Now, yes, we could have acted up on this candle closing bullish right here. Now that was already too late for me.
Yeah, so that was my paper trade at this point.
Yeah. So for me, it's okay. It's a perfect day. This would have been the 5-minute entry once price started breaking the high again. Now for me, that I wasn't really a fan. Also on this breaking, yes, this could have been your entry, but rather wanted to be down in here with a better confirmation. Still, at the end of the day, some people took the trade, so I'm very proud of that, and yeah, pretty good. So if you're still in the stream, don't forget to subscribe.
8K, bro.
Yeah, 8K. Subscribe, and don't forget to like the stream, guys. It's a good session again. It's a patient session. You don't have to beat anything. Remember that. If you don't see the correct confirmation for yourself, take it easy, be patient, and call it a day. Don't try to overtrade. Yes, New York's probably gonna get the move, but please be careful. If you already took a trade and you're in profits or in your small loss or a big loss, call it one. So, guys, thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning again. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You know the vibe.
Take it easy, peeps.
Take it easy, guys. See you tomorrow morning. Oh, new normal earnings. I'll send you an email. Don't worry. Perfect. There we go.